So first, type the URL, that's https cloud.greensoter.com, yeah, /in/user. So please use this URL to log on your portal, cloud portal. So here, yeah, input your name and password, then you log in. So first, here we'll show you, this is the home page showing the energy consumption. So by selecting the date, hours, so you can set a starting date. So this one started the 1st of September until 1st of October. So you will see the below. Okay, so 1st September until 1st of October. So this is all the energy consumption data. So this bar, so you can see all this usage. Yeah, this is 60 kilowatt. I think, yeah, this is for my home. So this is a small amount. You also can search by hours. So yeah, here said in our range, you cannot select more than 14 days. Okay, so then we select 1st of October just to show today. So we're showing all the from midnight 12 o'clock until this afternoon 1 o'clock. So this is the most usage. So, and of course you also can select it by month, yeah, by date. Yeah, so then click the button and right side. So here is about user profile. So this is a username, first name, last name, email. So you can change any way. I mean, any you want to like. So this is a password. So you can update your password. So we recommend please use a strong password for this login. Otherwise the hacker or any user, they can turn on or turn off your light. That's for the security. And next, this topological. So this is still being developing. This is later will show the graphic. So about the project, about how many devices you installed, so etc. So this is a list. So here list all the device which you installed in your network. So here there's a switch, and this the name, location, product type, and this is a sensor. So name, location, product type. So it's almost the same as a base app. So here click, you can see all the information about the hardware, and this is the usage. Yeah, this is about the fit. Yeah, so the current information about its running status. So for the moment, it's running in 230 voltage environment, and with 0.04 amps, and the power that of the device is 9.58 watt, and the temperature of the fit for the moment is 48.9 degree. So this temperature showing the chip temperature of the fit, because each fit running the IoT chip. So we also have a sensor inside the chip, so we can measure what the temperature of the chip for the moment. So this temperature also used to cut off the line. So once the temperature reaches to 70 degree, so the fit will automatically turn off, because over 70 degree, so it will burning. So that's why we can avoid high current for the moment for the fit. So I mean, it's overload, then the fit will burn. So that means that for our fit, we have this safety policy to avoid the firing. So I think this is the actual function for the building. I think that is good for user. And here I think almost the same. Here this is the motion sensor for the feet for the observe. So observe Sifato connected connect the Zinali feet. So that means it's controlling the feet in toilet, and that is the temperature. Oh, this is a battery. So here you also have a configuration. So this is almost the same as a base app, showing what's a sensitive and the switch time interval. So this is 1 minute. And I think this is a red sign, almost the same. So it's a warning that the battery is low. That's in my garage. So this morning I went to the garage, so the light still can be automatically turned on. So that means yeah, I needed to replace the battery. Even yeah, still can work, but yeah, later will be turned off. So this is the temperature, and also so almost the same. So almost same as a base app. So this is a environment. This is setting. So you can also set again. Yeah. And next, then we need to show the group. So group, want to click the button, that's plus. So it will open the window to you to input for making a group. So here you can have two group. One is a graph, another one is a switch. So graph we are showing the usage, and the switch will show will use to turn on and turn off the fit in group. So we say first flow graph. So we will first flow graph. So we just save. So here it's a oh, we already have this. I think then that means here we need to delete it. I think. Sorry. So we just delete it. That's useless. And here you can have a first floor graph, and you also can first floor switch. So this is a general. So first you need to make the group name. So then later you can choose which switch. Just push your mouse and jog the job to the graphic. So that means not showing. Yeah, so you can see Papuja entrance is in the graph. So this also living room, garage, bedroom, whatever. So you just pick up from the switch to move to the graph. The same as the switch. So you want to make entrance. So you can see. So you can graphic, living room, fridge. So you will see all this five, like bedroom, one, garage outlet, living room, entrance in the first floor graph. So it will show the power usage in this group. So later we will show you how to see it, how to find it. And this means this all like living room, garage outlet, entrance, fridge inside the first floor general switch. So then that means once you click here, you will see, you can see here, once you click, so it means on. So then it can control all this. So that means all the device, all the appliance connected with garage living room, that's a garage outlet, entrance will be on. So that means when you turn it on, then it will off, and this button will be assigned for the user, for the base app user. So then the base app user can use this button, and but not the graph. So graph is showing here. So showing graph. So on the button, so you will see here, you will find the first floor graph. So you will see, because we chose Bapuja, Gajaf, Gudutu, New Jechu. Yeah, this is all this, you can see. So this is all the energy consumption. So this is all this, and yeah, this is for the graph. And then we go back to here. So there's a switch. We will show on another side. So there's a switch in the user group. So you can see here switch. So then, because for the moment, switch general first floor general switch doesn't have any user. So now I assign Yung home app. So then on my smartphone app, then I can see this button. So then I can turn on and turn off. So if you don't want to use it, then you just drag and drop back. So you just move back, so it will removed. So that means any user has their own customized right to turn on or say to use the button. So this is for the company. So have a really customized function for different employee. So like a finance department, like a employee in the finance department, they only have the right to control all the device, all the appliance within finance department. So other departments they cannot involve in. So here you can assign to the employee from finance to the finance department. So then the employee from the finance, they can use the switch. So this is to assigning, and I think most the things that's for this making a group. So you need first you need to choose. Okay, you need to create the group used for what? For the graph. So graph means that showing the report, showing the usage about the group and the switch. So then that means you can make the buttons for grouping. So by just by one click, you can switch off all the fit, all the device which connected to the fit. So we didn't show here. And for the user, so here you also can add a user. So like I want to add my wife's name is John app. So suppose first name John down me.com. So once I click this button, so then this app, this mobile app account will be generated and will send this email to this account. So then once click, so then it will create it. So created, meanwhile we'll send the notification to the user. So then here the user will using the login and to log in the app. So here you can see here this is my app. So there is the email number. So the first time the user, so like for the moment the user didn't activate yet. So that means first time login won't be activated. So the administrator should come to here to find the user and to choose the login or log off So you can see this is already received a letter, from the greensoter.com. So then you can really to activate any person. So like once the person left the company, so you can directly to deactivate and save it. So then the user cannot use the account to log on the mobile app. So this is really powerful to manage the user. So, but first time you need to activate this, then you can log in. So this is making the group and how to activate. So this one, please don't change. I think this is a don't change here. This is for the login for the administrator. So once you've seen the sign, so this is the app sign, mobile app sign, mobile phone sign. So then that's the app for the mobile. So yeah, that is it for the moment. Yeah, we still working on the cloud developing. So later on we'll have a more function. Yeah, hope you will enjoy it. If you have any question, yeah, please email me, and yeah, then I will try my best to help you.